how to create a membership in your beauty software. Starting from the dashboard, move down to the left-hand side of the screen to find the membership area. We will start by creating your first ever membership, and you have a few different options here around how you can use these memberships. We'll start firstly with a you pay, you get type membership. So we'll call it a gold membership. Of course, you'll have a detailed description here. And a bulk buy membership or a you pay, you get membership is where somebody pays, let's say, $1,000 and they get $1,500 credit on their account to use for a selection of different services. This is a great way to increase client regularity, how often they book their appointments, to increase the type of services and the number of services that they have while they're with you, and to generally increase their spending habits. So if someone has $1,500 sitting on their account, they're going to be more likely to say yes to that add-on LED or yes to having the extra 30-minute massage because they're not having to pay out of pocket. So for this particular offer, we can go through and select the different services that they can access with their credit. You may want to offer them all of your baseline services and only a couple of your Medi services. If you have anything that is at a much higher price point, you probably won't want to include that in this particular membership, and that can be an upsell opportunity for you while they're having their baseline facials. So let's go ahead and save that. You can allow this for online purchase or not, and we can click save. So we have our gold membership, bulk buy, you pay, you get offer. Now let me walk you through a different type. Let's say you want to be able to give your client a voucher or a credit on their account for referring a friend to you. You can use this system to apply credit to clients' accounts, so you're not having to do that manually. So what we'll do here is we'll cost it at $0, which means that the client doesn't have to pay. It's important that you type 0 in there because if you don't put any amount, then it won't register it. So there's zero cost to the client and they will receive a $50 credit. Of course, we're not going to allow this to be purchased online, and you can select the services that they can have or use that credit against. So now let's say that a client has come in, they've referred a friend, you're really happy. You can then click sell, type that client's name in, and you can go through, and because it's at 0, that's now going to be applied to my account. Super duper easy and a great way for you to monitor those little credits that you're giving clients for doing some great things for your business. Now, finally, we can then add a package. So let's say you want to sell a skin needling package and you want that client to purchase 6. If they were to purchase them individually, it would cost them a number out of the blue, let's say $2,000, but when they purchase them in a package, it's going to cost them $1,500. So we're going to say $1,500, they're going to get 2,000 credit. So you would calculate how many, the full cost of the individual services for how many you want to sell them. So let's say you're selling them 6, you would calculate how much 6 individual skin needling sessions would be, and then pop that in the value so that you can then go through and check those clients out when they come in for their treatments, for their skin needling sessions, and it will remove it from that total value. You then have the cost amount, $1,500, which is what they will actually pay you on the day. Just a really simple example. And once again, you can allow that for online purchase if you want to or not. Then you'll have these saved. So they're really, really easy. You can be talking to a client, they've come in, they've told you their goals, then we want to sell them a skin needling package because that's the best way for them to reach their goals. We've got it here. We can click through and click sell and add it to their profile. Now you can see I've accidentally added the signature facial in here as well. So we can simply click through and remove that. Super duper easy to set up, and there's so much flexibility with this membership option inside your beauty software. Of course, reach out to support if you need any help setting these up or want to know the best way to logistically plan them out for your business.